Have you ever been interviewed by a bad interviewer? I'm Ken Scher, career coach, and you know who I'm talking about. That interviewer who talks the entire time and doesn't give you much of a chance to talk. Or that interviewer who only talks about themselves, and again, you never get the opportunity to sell yourself. Well, here are three ways you might be able to push through that. First, make sure you're really prepared before you go in that interview. You should have your personal branding message down pat, clear and concise to be able to deliver it to them at any point, and then look for opportunities in that interview to get that message in. It might be in response to something the interviewer says, and you may need to interrupt them to get your point across, but if it's clear and concise and compelling, you'll be able to do that. The second thing you could do is try to make it a conversation. Again, it might require you to interrupt them, but you could interrupt them with a question, or you could interrupt them by saying, "Oh, that's very interesting you say that. Let me tell you about something that happened to me in my career." Again, making it a conversation. The last thing that you could do is, if you haven't been able to get your point across, is to make sure as your time runs out, say to that person, there's really one thing I want to make sure that you remember about me after this interview. And I could tell you that through this example. And you might give a good stars example. Or if you don't have that time, you could always fall back on that clear, concise, and compelling personal branding message that you're very prepared to deliver in that interview. I hope this is helpful for you. It's frustrating when you run into interviewers like that, but you can do something to try to get your message through nonetheless. If I can help you with your personal job search situation, please reach out to me at ken@schercoaching.com. Regardless, I wish you the best of luck with your job search. Be well and take care.